Two of them, back to back. Everything we thought we knew about the Big Bang just broke. Again. After just 2 weeks of relative quiet, JWST just dropped another bombshell. It found a second 50 million solar mass object floating in the early universe, with almost zero stars around it. We thought the first discovery was a freak accident, but case number 2 is here, and it's actually naked. No stars, no dust, just a pure gravitational beast sitting at the dawn of time. This isn't a normal galaxy. This is a cosmic monster that formed before stars even existed. The new data makes it even weirder than the first one. Welcome to Deep Sky Nexus, where we bring you the real numbers and the real consequences for how the universe was built. If you want to know why this one is rewriting cosmology, stay with me. By the end of this video, I'll show you the new data that proves these aren't just black holes. They might be remnants from before the Big Bang even finished. So, what exactly are we looking at? Astronomers call these little red dots, but that's just a polite way of saying cosmic nightmare. This new one weighs roughly 50 million times our sun. The stars around it, barely detectable. In a normal galaxy, stars outweigh the central black hole 1,000 to 1. Here, the black hole outweighs everything else in its tiny galaxy by more than double. It's the boss. We're seeing it as it existed just 700 million years after the Big Bang, sitting 13 billion light-years away. But wait until you see the spectrum analysis. It revealed something Hubble would have been blinded by. Almost pure black hole emission with almost no surrounding gas or dust feeding it the usual way. Every textbook says supermassive black holes grow inside galaxies. Stars form first, then black hole seeds slowly grow over billions of years. But these objects flipped the entire script. The black hole appeared first, in a nearly empty, pristine environment. No time for normal growth, no merger history that makes sense, just a fully formed 50 million solar mass beast sitting there, almost alone. It shouldn't exist, yet here it is. But catching these ghosts is only half the battle. The real shock is how they fit into or break our history of the universe. Why did it take 2 weeks to find the second one? Because JWST had to look through the universe using gravitational lensing, essentially a natural magnifying glass in space, to magnify these faint red dots. High-resolution spectroscopy revealed the telltale broad emission lines of a rapidly accreting black hole. For this second object, new data traced gas swirling in a clean Keplerian orbit, which is basically a perfect celestial whirlpool around a central point mass of 50 million suns. That is direct proof we're looking at a black hole, not a starburst. No other telescope could have seen this. This should sound familiar. For decades, the standard model was light seeds, small black holes from dying stars that slowly grow. But these objects match the heavy seed theory perfectly. Direct collapse black holes born massive right from the start. The numbers are stacking up fast. JWST is finding these overmassive, understarred monsters everywhere it looks. Black holes didn't wait for galaxies. Galaxies grew around them. They were the architects. They were there first. But there's a third survey happening right now. If JWST finds a third one in the next month, it doesn't just rewrite cosmology. It proves that our understanding of time at the beginning of the universe is completely off. I'm tracking that data daily. That 2-week gap, it was the exception. Teams are hunting for dozens more of these naked black holes right now. If the pattern holds, We could soon have an entire population of them. Proof that the early universe was far stranger than anyone imagined. So here's the timeline. JWST found the first lonely 50 million solar mass black hole. Now it's found a second, and this one is even more extreme. Black holes showed up first, galaxies came later. The universe just got a lot weirder. When the next JWST bombshell drops, whether it's a third monster or direct proof of heavy seeds, I'll break it down the same day. Which is more terrifying? A universe that started with stars, or a universe that started with monsters? Let me know in the comments. Which one blows your mind more? The first, or this even weirder second object? If you want to stay ahead of every discovery that rewrites the cosmos, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now so you don't miss the moment history changes again. Thanks for watching and subscribing Deep Sky Nexus. The universe is revealing its secrets, and we're just getting started.